for today's video, ang gagawin ko, magluluto ako ng ginataang gulay na may hipon. So, yun. Mixed vegetables with shrimp and coconut milk. So, yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. Samahan niyo ako magluto. So, guys, these are the ingredients for the ginataang gulay with shrimp. So, kailangan natin, we need 6 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 medium-sized onion, slice, 1 pound shrimp, 1 medium-sized kalabasa or squash, and then a bunch of sitaw or string beans, and then 1 large eggplant slice, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, and then 2 tablespoons sauteed shrimp paste or yung ginisang bagoong alamang. And then we also need 1 can ng coconut milk. So, yan yung ingredients natin, guys. And then for today, gagamit ako ng salad master. So, yan. I'll just put the oil. Lagyan natin yung oil. Sautay na natin yung onion. So, we're gonna saute the onion. Then, we add the garlic. So now we add the shrimp paste. Then add the water, 1 cup of water. Then cover it, then let it boil. So now it's boiling. We can add our kalabasa. Boil for 5 minutes. So, after 5 minutes, lagay na natin yung string beans. Kaya ganito siya, guys, frozen yung gamit kong string beans. Nabili namin to nung last weekend pa. So, nilagay namin sa freezer para hindi siya malanta or so guys, yung eggplant sinoak ko siya sa water kasi 'di ba pag ang eggplant pag na-start nyo ng slicing nag-oxidize siya kaya siya nangingitim, so kailangan i-soak nyo siya sa water. So, lagay na natin yung eggplant. Pero this time, hininaan ko na yung power ng salad master, no? And then, pwede na natin isabay yung coconut milk. So, kumukulo na siya ulit, guys. Ngayon, lagay na natin yung shrimp. Lagyan na natin ng paminta. Tikman natin yung alat. Kung maalat na or kung tama na yung alat niya, hindi na natin ilalagay yung asin. Pero yung paminta, lalagay na natin. So, idagdag pa natin yung salt. Tikman ko ulit. So guys, i-turn off na natin kasi baka ma-overcook yung shrimp saka yung mga gulay. So guys, ito na yung ginataang gulay with shrimp. So, kain tayo guys.